welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deej, and today's video is going to be a BLUSHMARK unboxing and first impressions. Please excuse my appearance today. I am in the middle of doing my hair, and I did not know the package was coming because it said it was coming on the 14th of July, and today is the 6th or the 7th. So when like the DHL texted me and said like your package is expected by the end of the day, I was like, what? And yeah, I just wasn't ready, but at the same time I really wanted to film, so I'm gonna get started. Like I said, it came in DHL. So it's not very thick, but it does look exactly like the picture, but the thickness is just off. I think this will be really good for like 60 or 50 degrees. I wouldn't wear it any colder than that, but that's the first thing. So the next thing is the Lily khaki pinafore dress. So the first thing that I will say is that it looks kind of light pink, even though it's a really light tan brown, but it looks like it's pink. I don't know why. So this is supposed to be the neckline, so it's very high neck, and it's also very stretchy, and it's kind of like a silkier material. I don't really remember what the picture looked like. I'll try to find it if it's not sold out, but so far I don't think this is what the picture advertised it as, but it doesn't look that bad, so I had to take that into consideration. The next thing that I got are some leather pants. Did y'all hear that? Hold on. Literally like paper. I don't know if these are supposed to be stacked, but they're just some plain leather pants. It's just like a maxi dress, and it just has an opening right here under the boobs, and it's just a pretty light tan color. Again, like the other dress, I don't think it was advertised as this particular like material, but the next thing is, it just says dark brown on it. There's some split leggings. As you can see, the little split right there. A little bit of like scrunch ruching right here as well. It's like a tube dress. So today's Wednesday, and right now I'm about to head out to the art gallery because I haven't been in a few years, so I decided to go there today. I like my excursion, summer excursion, and I just have a lot of masks, so I'm about to get in an Uber, and afterwards I'm going to treat myself to some lunch and then get some coffee and just kind of get some outside time today. I got my nails filled in. I basically got the same thing I got the first time. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to the beach, so I'm really excited for that. But I just wanted to give you guys some museum montage and some outdoor time. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go, and I'm so excited because I just want to have a nice, calm and chill day, like how I said, and just enjoy the nice weather because it's 80 today. It's going to be 88 tomorrow, so that's why we're going to the beach. But yeah, guys, just enjoy the content. Y'all, the lighting is a little bit weird, but I'm just wearing this scarf that I got from the beauty supply store. It's kind of like changed and stuff like that. Ignore the mask. I'm only wearing it because I'm in the Uber, and I'm wearing this dark jean jacket from Forever 21. Just a little bit of these beaded bracelets and this earring that my sister gave me, and then my two-piece is just kind of like a one shoulder, and this is from Shein, and it has like little ties right here. And I'm just wearing my orange Telfar bag. If you guys want to see me unbox this, it's on my channel. And then I'm just wearing some Vans, white Vans. So yeah, guys, I'll see y'all.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you.
So I'm back from the beach. We actually got back like an hour ago. And right now I'm about to get ready to go have a picnic, a solo picnic. I'm so excited.
Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises.
I'm so excited because I've always wanted to do this. I just felt like this was so light and bright outside. I was like, she might even do it. Nobody. So that's the plan. I have my mask and I'm about to put this in and go. Also, gonna grab the rest of my food at the refrigerator because I didn't eat all my food, so I was like, I might as well just go out with it. So yeah, I'll see you guys there.
In my ear be whispering, used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true.
And I also have forks for that. And I think that's all I'm gonna eat right now. And I also have some kombucha, which is like my favorite. So I have some kombucha over there too. But I'm gonna mainly drink the water. But I'm gonna watch Dance Moms and relive in my childhood. And I'll talk to you guys when I'm getting ready to dance. So I finished eating and now I'm gonna get started on my watercolor. But I realized that I didn't bring any brushes, so I'm just gonna work with what I have, and next time I'll make sure I'll bring my brushes. But yeah, I'm just gonna put y'all on a time lapse and just have a good time.